somebody naked and you say, who is that man? You try so very hard, but you don't understand what you say when you get home. When you know something is happening here, you don't know what it is. To you, Mr. Jones. You raise up your head and you ask, is this where it is? And somebody points to you and they say, it's his. And you say, what's mine? And then somebody else says, well, what is? And you say, oh my God, am I here all alone? You know something is happening, but you don't know what it is. To you, Mr. Jones. You pay for your ticket and you go watch the geek, who immediately walks up to you when he hears you speak. And he asks you how it feels to be such a freak. And you say impossible is the answer known. When you know something is happening and you don't know what it is. Do you, Mr. Jones? You have many contacts among the lumberjacks who keep you supplied with bags when someone attacks your imagination. Oh, they already expect you to give it to a tax-deductible charity organization. Professors and they all like your looks. With great lawyers, you discuss lepers and crooks. You've been through all of F. Scott Fitzgerald's books. You're very well read. It's well known. And you know something is happening here, but you don't know what it is. Do you, Mr. Jones? The sword swallower comes up to you and then he kneels, crosses himself, and then he clicks his high heels. Without further notice, he asks you how it feels. He says, here's your throat back. Thanks for the loan. And you know something is happening and you don't know what it is. Do you, Mr. Jones? You see this one-eyed midget and he's shouting the word now. You say, what's the matter? And he says, how? And you say, what does this mean? And he screams back, you're a cow. Give me some milk. Where is goes? And you know something is happening, but you don't know what it is. Do you, Mr. Jones? walk into the room like a camel and then you frown. Your eyes in your pockets and your head on the ground. There ought not be a law against you coming round. You should be made to wear it full. And you know something is happening, and you don't know what it is. Do you, Mr. Jones?